In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run weekly meetings using Notion templates. We'll dive into a step-by-step guide to setting up an efficient system for managing your team gatherings, ensuring they are productive and well-organized every time. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your connected workspace in Notion, which serves as the hub for your wikis, documents, and project management. If you aren't already familiar with Notion, it's a fantastic tool that combines the functionalities of a wiki, a project manager, and a note-taking app all in one. This workspace is where the magic happens, providing a central location to create and manage your meeting agendas. Next, find and click the Login button. If you're new to Notion, you can sign up for an account, but remember that logging in will give you access to your personalized space. After logging in, go to the Notion home. This is essentially your dashboard, giving you an overview of all the items and projects you're currently juggling. Once you arrive at your Notion home, it's time to create a new page. This page will become the cornerstone of your meeting management system. Think of it as a blank slate where you can build your meeting agenda, integrate notes, plans, and any other elements necessary for an effective session. With your new page created, the next step is to create a database. Databases in Notion are powerful tools that allow you to store and organize all kinds of information. Here, you'll want to structure your database in a way that aligns with the goals of your meetings. You can include sections like meeting dates, topics to be discussed, action items, and even assign tasks to specific team members. After your database is set, you should click on Add Property. This function allows you to tailor your database to better fit your needs. For instance, you might want to add properties that track the status of tasks, priority levels, or even deadlines. Each property helps refine the information you maintain, enabling easier tracking and management. Finally, it's time to add sections. Think of sections as the various components of your meeting agenda. This could include items such as a review of old business, new topics for consideration, team updates, and a summary of next steps. Organizing your meeting into sections ensures no important detail is overlooked. By following these steps and utilizing Notion's robust features, you'll have a reliable system for organizing weekly meetings. This setup is not only beneficial for clarity's sake, but it also serves to keep team members informed and engaged. Embrace the simplicity and efficiency Notion offers, and watch as your meetings become more structured and productive. Happy organizing!